자, 더 파이너스 열심히 해봅시다. 같이 하실 분 오세요. 빠른데죠. 전투 속도 그리고 탐욕한 리스폰 크레딧 무제한 뱅크이. 이거 하나 사야 되는데? 장구배지. 다음 판에 저거 끼고 해야 되겠다. 응? 유난히 안녕? 로딩이 왜 이렇게 길어? 아, 분위기 못 바꾸네?
All right, the ultra rares, the jet setters, the socialites, and finally, the kingfish. The arena has loaded. Buckle up.
The coin chase is on. Contestants will target our vaults or pick up coins from fallen opponents and then deposit them. The name of the game is Bank It. And with that encounter, we've got our first elimination.
Get ready for some heart-pounding action.
Come to the rare!
안 돼! 와, 이거 뭐야? 아직 내가 도전하기 무리인가?
Oh, a new vault. This is going to get very interesting very fast. Oh, there's been a deposit, folks.
우리
Ka-ching for the
꼴찌야.
socialites.
아씨.
It's not just about the big drops, you know.
아, 저 점액질 술탄을 좀 바꿔야 되겠구나. 그렇잖아.
Frag grenade out!
A new vault just appeared. Let's see who grabs that cash. The socialites just locked in some earnings. Good job.
Sonar grenade out! Tossing a frag.
Every coin counts. Nice deposit by the jet setters.
Frag out! Sending a frag!
A shiny new vault just spawned, June. Let's see who gets to it first. Coins banked. The socialites just scored.
아니, 길이 어딘지 전혀 모르겠네, 이거.
Throwing sonar grenade! Frag grenade out!
아, 저,
A new vault is ready to be opened.
저 칼 왜 이렇게 센 거야?
The ultra rares just banked some coins.
Throwing a frag!
There's a new vault to fight for in the arena.
Outgoing sonar check! Scanning that area!
A few more coins in the bank for the jet
아, 나
setters.
참네.
Goo grenade set! Gooing things up!
And just like that, a new vault has appeared in the arena.
아, 아직까지
The socialites
맵을
are the
몰라서
talk of the
힘드네.
arena today. They came, they banked, and they conquered. On behalf of our sponsors, thanks for tuning in.
왜 사운드가 아직까지 크지? 장비 샀고 내가 산 총 없어? 어디지? 편집 가서 응? 예비품을 370으로 살 수 있는 게 은신 회피에 특화되어 있음. 해갈고리 아, 이렇게 커스텀이 가능하구나. 장식, 스티커, 커스텀. 김밥도 있네? 일단 새로 산 총이니까 요거부터 해보고 다른 데죠. 티켓이 빠밤. 다들 소를 많이 하네. 너무 성급하게 무기를 샀나?
Now, the tough shells, the overdogs, and finally, the ultra rares. The arena's calling. We're playing quick cash, where the quickest team to collect the quantity that we're looking for claims the day.
That's right, Scotty. It's all about speed, strategy, and a whole lot of cash. Frag grenade out!
Vault 1 is being opened by the tough shells.
We've got our first elimination of the match. Our teams are finally getting acquainted.
That's
뭐
the
다
bonus for you,
무너졌어.
folks.
이거 어떻게 올라가지?
The tough shells will need to come back from that wipeout.
They'll need to hide in their shells for a bit.
The tough shells are back in play.
여기다가 갔구나. 내가 보호해줄게.
The ultra rares are all fired up. They've started our first cash out.
Sending a frag! Frag grenade out! Over there, let's go! Throwing a frag! Tossing a frag!
잘하고 있어, 잘하고 있어.
Sonar grenade out! Tossing a sonar! On me, come on! There, go!
The overdogs don't need to start licking their wounds just yet. They still have one teammate left out there. The first cash out goes to the ultra rares. Let's see whether they can keep that momentum going.
Throwing a frag! Sending a frag!
That's a blow to the tough shells. Team wiped.
Tough luck. No way to soften that blow.
The tough shells are re-entering the arena. The ultra rares are busy unlatching Vault 2.
Tossing a sonar!
안 돼!
The ultra rares have started a cash out.
Planting explosives! Using a flashbang!
빨리 도와주러 가야 되는데.
Great move there by the Overdogs, stealing that cash out. And now Lone Wolf is trying to keep the Overdogs safe from a full team wipe.
Scanning that area! Tossing a frag! Initiating a scan! Frag grenade out!
Completed a cash out.
Grenade out!
This could be bad for the tough shells,
Approach
June.
Vault
They're on
3.
the verge of a full team wipe. Just what the doctor ordered, another vault. The tough shells are
아,
coming back out
움직일
of the
때 총알이 안
shells. Team
갈리네.
respawned.
오, 샷.
The tough shells are opening Vault 3. This match just passed its midway point. A lot of action still in store for you folks.
Frag grenade out! Sending a frag! Throwing sonar grenade!
The tough shells will need to reboot. Team wiped. a cash out.
Frag out! Scanning for opponents!
At risk of living up to their name, the Ultra Rares are down to one contestant.
Frag out!
아, 나 저거. 너는 왜 스나를 해갖고? 오, 이런 방법이 있구나.
Special delivery! Frag grenade set!
Tough by name, tough by nature. And cash out. Ah, I love this part of our show. Who will get to the new vault first?
Sending a frag!
Vault 4 is being opened by the Tough Shells.
Frag grenade sent! Let's go over there! Frag out!
안 돼!
Let's go down there!
들고 튄다. 들고 튄다. 잡아야 돼. 어디 갔어?
It's time to see what the contestants off their game. Throwing the frag!
아, 네. 다행이다. 저거 남기고 갔네.
Our contestants will want to prepare for unexpected guests from outer space who
뭐야, 이
apparently
외계인
do not
친구는?
believe in peaceful arrivals.
contestants might need to employ some extraterrestrial intelligence to outsmart both the UFOs and their earthly opponents. News is becoming rare for the ultra rares. They're down to one contestant.
서로 비기고 있으면은 데스매치처럼 외계인 침공이 일어나.
Only a minute on the clock now. The tough shells have a cash out in the works.
We aren't quite done yet. The outcome of this match will be decided in overtime.
The tough shells currently have the upper hand on the leaderboard.
아까비. 쟤네가 이기는데?
Sonar grenade out! Frag out! Setting a frag!
뭐야, 갇혔어.
Which team will triumph?
Smoke grenade out!
Ten seconds left. It's all over, folks.
이겼다.
As we power down the simulation and our contestants unplug, let's take a moment to applaud our new rising stars.
울트라 레어. 나 그래도 목표를 좀 많이 채운 것 같아. 배틀 패스 뭐죠? 이번에 작은 걸로 해서 한번 해봐야 돼. 1470. 편집. 짧은 간격으로 투척할 수 있는 조용한 발사체로 2개씩 던질 수 있습니다. 이거 하나 사야 되겠어요. 800. 됐고 아까 검 보니까 검이 또 엄청나게. 얘도 800. 아, 한 판 더 해야 되겠네. 해열수탄에 척 폭약보다 화염수탄, 점액질 수류탄. 컨트롤, 마우스 키보드, 보조하기, 주특기가 Q, 오케이. 이번엔 소로 플레이. 초보자는 퀵캐시를 하는 게 더 좋겠네요. 오, 대중소 다 있어. 망치라는 게 좀...
Here we go! The Retros, the Steamrollers, and finally, the Powerhouses.
파란색.
Let's get into it. Welcome to Quick Cash, where speed is the key to victory. The first team to stash enough cash will reign supreme.
Scotty said it. Let's see who's got the pace to ace this race.
우승자 여러분, 서울에 오신 것을 환영합니다. Nos participants vont s'affronter aujourd'hui sous les regards de nos sponsors.
Time to get out my statistics tracker. We've got our very first elimination of the match.
It's sink or swim time.
어디야? 여기가 어디지? 응? 아, 아래구나. 알았어.
The Steamrollers have lost all but one contestant. Let's see whether they adopt a more defensive strategy. Vault 1 is being opened by the Powerhouses.
전멸이야? 아, 우리 편 아직 남아.
Yikes.
큰일인데?
Team wipe for the powerhouses.
They couldn't keep the roof from caving in on their game plan.
The powerhouses have returned to the arena.
아야야야야.
Frag out! Frag grenade out!
The powerhouses are proving to be real go-getters. They've started our first cash out.
The powerhouses have turned up the heat with a stunning turnaround.
Powerhouses are not even close to full strength right now. Only one valiant contestant left.
안 돼!
Team
내
wipe
거란
mishap for the
말이야!
powerhouses.
They'll need to recharge now.
뺏긴다, 뺏긴다.
The powerhouses are back in the arena, folks.
Vintage moves from the retros as they recover in style.
The Steamrollers denied a cash out. Great steal.
Remember, that's illegal in many jurisdictions, but not here. Throwing pyro grenade!
와, 쩐다. 여기 어디야?
That's a blow to the retros. Team wiped. What a way to
아이고,
open the
망했네.
match. The Steamrollers land the first cash out. The retros are back in the arena, folks.
Throwing fire! Special delivery!
아이씨, 다 몰렸네.
Good grenade set! There's a breach over at Vault 2 by the powerhouses.
어디야? 에잉? 이거 어떻게 가?
The Retros are in danger of not withstanding the test of time. Only one contestant left. The Steamrollers will need to come back from that wipeout.
Scotty, if I were them, I'd be steaming mad.
간 김에 부활 좀 해주지. 시사지 지금.
The Steamrollers are back and ready to avenge that team wipe.
안돼, 안돼. 아이씨.
Flash and grab.
큰일 나 버렸네.
The powerhouses are back on the scene.
아이 너무 멀리 리스폰이 되는데? 와, 데미지 차이가 너무 난다.
Sending a frag.
대중소의 차이가 이런 건가 봐요. 아, 하프탈.
We just passed the halfway point, and I'm really impressed with the team so far, June.
어.
The Steamrollers just jump-started a cash out.
Frag out!
Reviving a teammate might do
Nice.
a power of good for the
Goodbye.
powerhouses. Just one member left.
Going things up!
Brains and brawn from the powerhouses. They strategically steal a cash out. A team wide mishap for the
아니,
Retros.
나도 좀 살려주고.
The Retros are back. Team respawned.
아따매 안 죽네. 아, 뺏기잖아. 아래.
The powerhouses will need to come back from that wipeout.
The contestants did a real demolition job on them.
아, 얘 방어를 안 했어. 망.
Check out those disco dance moves. It's a cash out for the Retros. The powerhouses are rejoining the match. A new vault in the arena. The ultimate omen of mayhem here at the finals. The Steamrollers are putting the squeeze on Vault 3.
이런 옆에서 뭐 하는 거야?
The Steamrollers are down to just one contestant, folks. A wipeout and a setback for the Steamrollers.
got squashed down.
Frag out!
Team wipeout.
Frag grenade out!
The Steamrollers are back. Team respawned.
이게 어디 가는 거야?
Sending a rocket.
Frag grenade out!
The Retros have a cash out in the works. The last member of the Steamrollers needs to do everything they can to avoid a team wipe. Impressive steal by the powerhouses.
우리 편 왜 가만히 있는 거야?
Rocket delivered.
아, 스나이퍼는 재밌다. 스나이퍼 재밌어요.
I just got word from our producers that we're about to launch an event. Our contestants better buckle up. Frag grenade set!
All out of time. Unbelievable determination from the competitors. One of our teams have just paved their way to fame. Congratulations to our winners.
아, 이거 팀을 잘못 만났네. 180V야. 아, 레벨이 있구나. 무기마다. 850이니까. 아무래도 데미지가 너무 약해. 이 오버뷰. 은폐 장치. 아, 이거 레벨이 있네. 회피 돌진. 집에서 경찰 탐지기, 소포탑. 소포탑도 괜찮던데. 진압 방패. 이번엔 대에서 무기 하나 사봐야지. 스타일을 좀 바꿔주고. 뭐가 틀린 거야? 섹시한데? 의상. 의상은 이걸로 일단 통일. 오. 아, 이건 돈 주고 사는 거구나. 무기 봅시다. 아, 유탄 발사기, 슬래지 해머. 사관 탄창을 장착한 자동속사 산탄총. 화염 방사기. 유탄 발사기 탑. 오케이. 유탄 발사기. 유탄 발사기. 반투명 버블. 화염지뢰. 어. 뭐지? 됐어. 대중속 레플레이 해봐야지. 나 좀 멋있게 생긴 것 같아요.
Now, the Retros, the Big Splash, and finally, the Vogues. And they are off. Our contestants will need to unleash their inner tycoons in quick cash. They'll need to gather enough cash first to win.
That's right, Scotty. This is going to be a nail biter.
The Retros are over at Vault 1 to check what's inside.
That first elimination sends a clear message that it's game time.
I hope the viewers at home are ready for a wild ride. It's rocket time! The last member of the Big Splash needs to be calculating before jumping into any danger.
아, 안 돼! 느리구나. 무게만큼 느리네.
The Big Splash are back in action.
어디야? 안 돼!
The Retros have recovered and respawned.
아이씨. 아까 걔가 걷다 버려다가. 와, 저백질 술탄, 와.
And now it's all up to the last member of the Retros.
아, 아직까지는 중이 내 스타일인데 무기는 소가 내
The
스타일.
Retros are partying like it's 2029. They've started our first cash out.
오, 저까지 날아가네?
Showing the others how it's done. It's the Big Splash. The Big Splash made an awesome steal there.
어디야, 여기?
The Big Splash are close to getting wiped. I feel for their lonely contestant out there. Misfortune Unfortunate for the big splash. Team wiped. The Retros are at the head of the line. The big splash are back. Team respawn.
RPG로 다 터뜨려야 되겠다. 아,
Throwing fire. Smoke grenade out. Adversity for the Retros. Wipe out.
They looked a bit outdated out there.
It's in. The Retros make a bold statement with the first cash out of the match. The Retros are re-entering the arena. The Retros are trying to kick it old school at Vault 2.
Gas my time.
The Retros are initiating a cash out. Call for fireworks!
잡어. 잘한다.
It's a daunting experience being out there all alone, June. Let's see how the Vogues handle it.
꼴찐 것 같은데?
The Vogues are re-engaging.
큰일 났다.
The big splash will need to come back to that wipeout.
No need for towels. They've been left high and dry.
Sending a rocket. A nifty steal by the Vogues.
That was unexpected.
아우, 짜증나. 이거 뭐야? 아, 저 단검이야, 투리. 저 단검 사야 되겠네요.
Throwing pyro.
자, 또 우리가 먹어야 돼.
Cash out completed by the Vogues. There's another vault available for our cash-hungry teams. The big splash will need to reboot. Team wiped. The second half of this match is underway. I bet there's a highlight reel play on the horizon, June. A delicate situation for the Vogues. They're just one elimination away from wiping. The Retros might become the history if they're not careful. Only one contestant left. The Vogues have respawned.
Rushing Vault 3.
Adversity for the big splash wipeout.
아니 걷다 뿌려도 못해.
Someone's worming into Vault 3. It's the Vogues.
안돼. 우리 편 웃자면 좋노.
The Vogues are back in
Get up
action.
there! Capture cash box 3!
야 어디로 갔냐?
Oh no! The big splash have lost all but one contestant. Rocket away! A bit of virtual catastrophe for the Vogues. Team wiped.
와 저거 너무 작게 해놨다 사람을. 저래도 된 거야? 나도 엄청 작게 해놔야 되겠다.
Cash out underway, thanks to the retros. The Vogues are back in vogue. Team respawn! Sending a rocket.
로드아웃을 얘로 바꿔서. The retros will need to come back from that wipeout. I feel for the Vogues. They've been reduced to one member now. 안돼.
Spawn alert! The retros are back in action. Here's some cover.
외계인 침공하겠는데?
The big splash aren't going to water down the intensity here as they complete a cash out. Money may not grow on trees, but a new vault just appeared in the arena.
Mine armed.
In a stylish move, the Vogues are opening Vault 4. RPG away!
Okay, it's time to shake things up a bit with an event. Prepare for even more mayhem. The Vogues are swanky, showing determination with this reversal.
The big splash will need to try again. Team wiped.
They might be in hot water now. UFOs are descending on the arena. Contestants will want to keep an eye on the sky because I don't think this is a social call.
Pyro grenade out. The big splash are experiencing some contestant left. We've passed the point of first contact here in our alien invasion, and there's no sign of a retreat to outer space yet. Throwing pyro grenade! Seconds left for our contestants to change the game!
큰일 났다. 지겠는데?
Rocket away! 10 seconds left! That's the final whistle.
자,
The result is in.
저 위에 떠 있는 게 외계인이군요.
And now we celebrate as one team of contestants becomes a group of rising stars. Thanks again to our sponsors and to our viewers at home.
참가자. 소로 해야 돼, 소. 아직 못 사고. 승리를 좀 해야지 되겠다. 엄착, 손각타, 점액질. 은폐가 짱이네. 음모론자 고양이. 이건 아. 자, 오늘은 여기까지 하겠습니다.